Alrighty, in this video we're keeping up with the trend and we're going to keep adding more and more trig identities to our toolkit. So here we've got for when we're adding two angles in a sine, a cos, or a tan. So first thing we're going to do here is expand and simplify this. So using this second formula down, this is sine of 270 cos of alpha plus cos of 270 sine of alpha. Now if we look at our unit circle here, we can see 270, it appears that sine is -1 and cos is 0. So that's exactly what we're going to be using here. So this whole bit is 0, and then this just becomes minus cos of alpha here. Now I want to be really careful about the plus and the minus. You'll notice here, if we got a plus, you keep a plus there, and if we had a minus, you keep a minus there. But with the other one, if you have a plus, you flip it to a minus, and if you have a minus, you flip it to a plus. That's why it's upside down in the top one. All right, next one here, we're simplifying here. Cos, cos, sine, sine, that looks like the top one. So this ends up being, because we've got a minus, it will turn into a plus. So this is cos of 3 theta plus theta, which is cos of 4 theta. All right, last one we got here is showing this. Generally what you want to do is sine of 75 degrees is the same as sine of 30 degrees plus 45 degrees. And that's going to be using our formulas that we got here. So sine of a plus b, sine cos, cos sine. So it's going to be sine of 30 cos of 45 plus cos of 30 sine of 45. So let's see, sine of 30 degrees is going to be a half. Cos of 45 I know is 1 over root 2 from the unit circle as well. Then cos of 30 degrees is going to be root 3 over 2 times 1 over root 2 as well. All this simplifies down to 1 over 2 root 2 plus root 3 over 2 root 2. These have the same denominator, so we can add them. 1 plus root 3 over 2 root 2. But that doesn't look like what they wanted us to show. They want us to have 4 on the bottom. So what we need to do is then times by root 2 over root 2 to get the answer we actually want. So on the bottom, we're going to get 2 root 2 root 2, which is a fancy way of writing 4. And on the top, we're going to get root 2 times 1 plus root 3. And then if we simplify that down, I'm going to get root 2 plus root 2 root 3 over 4. And then root 2 times root 3 is just root 6 as required.